Okay, what we have is a 2005 Mercury Mountaineer on the lift, same as a Ford Explorer. One of the problems, if you live in the Rust Belt, that we find is the crossmember bolts love to break. I don't know if you could see that very well, but they just break right off when you go to take them apart. Now, I've heard of guys drilling and trying to tap and take them out that way, and well, that takes too long. So we came up with a quick and easy solution for that. By using an air hammer. So it's really loud, and you'll want to wear earmuffs when you do it. So now you can see we've got two open holes here, and what we'll do is drop down these bolts through the top, and the stud of the bolt, the threaded part of the bolt, will stick out. As Gary here will show you, stick a magnet up in the hole and connect it to the bottom of the bolt and guide the bolt down into the hole, which sometimes it pops off and you lose it, but there's enough access there to he can show you on this one here. So there's enough access to pick the bolt back up and get it down there. Oh, there it is. It's just about through. So just like that, now you have a fresh, clean stud sticking through, and when you put the cross member up, you just put a nut and washer on there, and it's good to go. And that's our quick trick for fixing cross member bolts on Ford Explorer, Mercury Mountaineer, and Lincoln Aviator.